पिया के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
Hello everyone, my name is Asib Khan and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will be showing you guys a very rare and very vintage PIA recipe book that was made with lots of recipes, and as you can see it is very old. So I'll be going through most of the pages. Obviously, some of the recipes are secret, so we got to keep that hush hush, but I'll be showing you guys a couple pages of them. I was actually shocked to have this saved from my grandfather's collection. I was going through all the stuff that he had packed and saved and I was given to, and I was surprised to find this, and I was very curious because I didn't know that PIA even had a recipe book. So I'm very much excited to show you guys my collection from it, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have the Pakistan 33 recipes name. Not sure what this design is, but I think something to do with food or catering. And then we go to the bottom, we have our knife and fork design for food, and our old I believe 1970s or 60s logo at the bottom with the Pakistan aircraft going through the middle. So yeah, let's see. So start with the first page. I'm trying to open this very gently as it is fragile. So as you can see, we have the different meat dishes on each page. So as you can see, Sikh kebab, Shami kebab, Chapi kebab, Ran masala. Some of these names I've never even heard before. Machli curry, Mark tikka, biryani, I know most of us know. Kabuli, raita I've heard. Chapati, ye paratha, and then badam kheer, gajar halwa, shani tarka, sheer firni, zarda. So obviously we have very diverse and very unique food options by PIA. So we'll start here with the introduction. So as it says, for many centuries, the Khyber Pass has been the route of invading armies who were attracted by riches of the Indus Valley. And so the territory that is today Pakistan has nurtured a variety of civilizations during the last 5,000 years, each of which left its distinct mark on the tradition, culture, and cuisine of the country. Each province has its own distinct flavor and specialty. The staple foods, wheat and rice, are cooked in numerous ways. Meat is a great favorite, lamb being the most popular. Generally, the food is spicy and highly flavored. The Pakistani cuisine has a large repertoire. I can't even speak. Report something of desserts and snacks which are served to guests at all times of the day. But to a Pakistani, the most important ingredient of serving good food is the hospitality that goes with it, which is very true. Very nice introduction on the second page. And then we'll hop into the second one. So here we have our meat dishes. So the recipe on boti kebab, undercut, ground ginger, ground green chilies, and then explains, you know, how many and how to cut them, the different mixtures of spices and how long it takes. Same with the seekh kebab, shami kebab, dum kebab. Very cool. I gotta try these recipes at home, you know. Poultry, maraq tikka, maraq curry, maraq masala. Assorted breads, so paratha. 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of butter. Then we have puri, desserts, kheer, gajaraila, and yeah, firni, zarda. Very cool. And then obviously anyone who wants to write any notes on the book, I believe it's 2 pages. And then yes, and then printed in Pakistan, PIA Crest, Karachi, page 19. So here we have it. Very rare vintage book, very exclusive. So I'm hoping some of you that have never seen this get to see it, because it's definitely a keeper. So also very grateful to have this as one of my grandfather's collections. So very nice. So I hope all of you enjoyed this video, probably learned something. Do you want a recipe? If you guys seen a recipe, try it out. Let me know if you've made it, how it tasted, and yeah. So once again, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and always enjoy. And let me know which collectible you guys want to see next, or any specific model that you guys want me to show you. So thank you so much, and then we will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. See ya.